What's next? I'll tell you what's next. Antidepressants and drug addiction. You cannot fix a drug addict with an antidepressant pill because they don't admit that they have a problem. They don't know their source of unhappiness. It's like they overlook it. They wake up every morning, they smell dog shit, but they can't tell which corner of the room it's coming from. It's like they overlook the fact that they had a dog in the first place. They're naive. So they go to the doctor and they ask for help. They ask the doctor to evaluate them. So he takes a look at them and he hits them with a barrage of questions. He asks questions like, do you use drugs and do you abuse alcohol? They say no to the drugs. When it comes to the alcohol, they say yes, I have a drink on the weekends. If you're a drug addict, you cannot tell a doctor that you have a drink on the weekends. This is a lie. To this guy, the doctor, an upstanding citizen of moral value, he thinks to himself, oh, a drink on the weekends. This could mean a bottle of beer with my fishing buddies, or to my wife, a glass of wine with the gals. He just doesn't understand that to you, this means going out on the weekend, getting completely loaded on alcohol, sniffing a handful of Percocets and Xanny bars, and then bumping Molly until you trip, twerking half naked on the minibar to Iggy Azalea spraying syphilis all over everybody that watches. You got a problem far worse than an antidepressant. You've got a hole in your tire this big. You can't just inflate it. You need a whole new tire. Antidepressants and drug addiction do not come hand in hand. They counteract each other. They don't work. The serotonin, the dopamine in your brain, you've got a chemical incomposition, the frequency waves, all this shit is out of whack. I'm not talking down on people who use drugs. I'm not talking down on people who use antidepressants. Both are probably fine if you leave them alone. But if you mix up with down, you're seriously gonna cause some bipolar schizophrenia and you're gonna be screwed. If you combine this two, you're a freaking idiot. You are a freaking idiot. What's next? What's next? What's next?